This is a single-arm phase 2 study for patients with stage 3 unresectable non-small cell lung cancer. The standard of care for these patients is to treat them with concurrent chemoradiation. And over the years, we've tried to improve outcomes over concurrent chemoradiation alone. Various strategies have been tried using different chemotherapy regimens, using more chemotherapy, adjusting radiation doses. We really haven't been able to move the bar all that much in the last couple decades. More recently, immunotherapy has proven to be very active in patients with metastatic non-small cell lung cancer. So our goal is to be the first to take immunotherapy, namely with PD-1 inhibitors, in patients who've been responding in the stage 4 setting and move that into the stage 3 settings. There is a subset of patients who respond to these drugs for very long periods of time. The typical chemotherapy response for patients with metastatic disease may be 3 to 6 months. But with immunotherapy, you can see responses that last a year and a half, 2 years, and beyond. So our hope is that that observation in the metastatic setting may actually be more profound in patients who don't have overt metastatic disease. So in this trial, patients will receive concurrent chemoradiation as a matter of their standard of care. They can receive that through their local community practices, and one of several different regimens would be permissible. The most commonly used regimens are weekly carboplatin and paclitaxel with daily radiation, or cisplatin and etoposide with daily radiation, or most recently data was reported with cisplatin and pemetrexed with daily radiation. Some patients will be permitted as well to receive consolidation chemotherapy, so up to 2 cycles of consolidation chemotherapy would be permissible. When they're all done with their standard of care treatment, they then recover from that, and about 4 weeks later they get a PET-CT, and that establishes what their disease status is. Assuming that they have had a response and are not progressing or developing metastatic disease and they're fit and well, they meet the eligibility criteria for immunotherapy, all patients will then be treated with pembrolizumab. Pembrolizumab is an immunotherapy agent. It's a PD-1 inhibitor. It's given intravenously once every 3 weeks, and this will go on for up to a year. And our goal for this trial is to see if we can reduce the risk of recurrences and obviously improve the cure rates for patients with stage 3 disease.